Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the calculator as a currency converter on your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for the individuals. Let's say that you're traveling to a different country and you want to go ahead and convert their currency because they don't use the US dollar. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and open up the calculator app. Now, once you have the calculator app open, on the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see a calculator icon. Click on that. Next, what you're going to do is that you want to toggle on the button that says convert. And so you can see here, it now shows labels for each of the numbers on the top row and the bottom row. So let's say that we highlight the US dollar amount. We can type in 100 and it converts it into Japanese yen of 14,580. But let's say that we want to convert the US dollar into, let's do a peso here, the Philippine pesos, okay? You can see it now converts US dollar into Philippine pesos. But now let's say that you see something that's worth 10,000 Philippines pesos in the store, it'll automatically convert it into US dollars. On the left-hand side, you're going to see arrows. That just switches the places between both the rows. But by switching the places between both the rows, it turns the top number into the bottom number, as you can see there. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the calculator as a currency converter. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.